In the heart of the Sahara Desert, a giant eye stares back at the sky. A perfect spiral, visible from space, carved into the Earth's crust. It's called the Eye of the Sahara, and for decades, it has puzzled scientists, astronauts, and adventurers alike. What is it? How did it form? And why do some believe it hides the ruins of Atlantis? Prepare to look deep into one of Earth's most enigmatic features. Located in Mauritania, this massive circular formation spans over 40 kilometers. It is so large, it was first fully recognized not from the ground, but from space. Astronauts on early NASA missions noticed the formation during orbital passes. They were captivated by its striking symmetry and scale. To many, it looked almost unnatural, like a forgotten city swallowed by time and sand. Early explorers on the ground struggled to grasp its immense size and true shape. It remained a mystery, a strange bullseye in the vast, empty quarter of the desert. Its perfect form seemed to defy simple explanation. Scientists call it the Richat Structure. For a time, the leading theory was that it was an impact crater. Perhaps a massive meteorite had struck the Earth here millions of years ago. However, detailed geological surveys found no evidence of extraterrestrial collision. There were no telltale signs of melted rock or the specific minerals created by hypervelocity impacts. The impact crater theory was eventually discarded. Instead, geologists now understand the Richat structure as a deeply eroded geologic dome. Imagine layers of sedimentary rock, like pages in a book, stacked neatly over millions of years. Deep beneath the surface, tectonic forces or possibly a volcanic intrusion pushed upwards. This pressure lifted the rock layers into a gentle dome shape. Over vast stretches of time, wind and water began their relentless work. Erosion stripped away the upper layers of the dome. Different rock layers erode at different rates. Harder, more resistant layers form the raised rings. This differential erosion, acting on the uplifted dome, sculpted the perfect concentric circles we see today. The central part of the structure is composed of older, harder rocks that were exposed as the overlying layers eroded. The rings are essentially the exposed edges of different rock strata, tilted outwards by the original uplift. The central part of the structure is composed of older, harder rocks that were exposed as the overlying layers eroded. The structure also contains unique geological features, like hydrothermal breccias and circular dikes. These indicate complex geological activity beneath the surface during its formation. So while it might not be man-made, it is still a masterpiece. Just one crafted by nature's slow, powerful hand, revealing the deep history of the Earth. It's a window into geological time, laid bare for the sky to see. But not everyone is satisfied with the geological explanation. Some alternative researchers and theorists point to the Eye as a possible site for the lost city of Atlantis. Why this remote desert location? The connection stems primarily from the writings of the ancient Greek philosopher Plato. Plato described Atlantis as having a unique structure. He wrote of concentric rings of land and water, separated by canals. This description, to some, bears a striking resemblance to the circular rings of the Richat structure. Furthermore, Plato provided some geographic clues about Atlantis' location. While vague, some interpretations of these clues could potentially place Atlantis in or near North Africa. Mauritania, where the Eye is located, fits within some of these speculative geographic models. Proponents of this theory highlight the scale and the concentric layout as key similarities. They suggest the rings could be the remnants of ancient Atlantean architecture or infrastructure, now eroded and filled with sand. However, mainstream archaeologists and historians strongly disagree. They suggest the rings could be the remnants of ancient Atlantean architecture or infrastructure, now eroded and filled with sand. They suggest the rings could be the remnants of ancient Atlantean architecture or infrastructure, now eroded and filled with sand. Extensive surveys of the Richat structure have found no credible evidence of ancient human habitation. There are no ruins, no artifacts, no signs of the advanced civilization Plato described. The geological evidence for its natural formation is overwhelming and widely accepted by the scientific community. While the Atlantis theory captures the imagination, it remains firmly in the realm of speculation and pseudo-history. The scientific explanation, though perhaps less romantic, is supported by observable geological facts. Yet the sheer visual perfection of the structure continues to fuel these alternative ideas. It's a testament to how compelling mysteries can inspire diverse interpretations. From above, the Eye is truly breathtaking. It's an almost hypnotic spiral in the middle of a vast, featureless desert. Its distinct shape makes it an unmistakable landmark. Astronauts on the International Space Station often use it for orientation during orbital passes. It's one of the most recognizable natural features on Earth when viewed from orbit. High-resolution satellite imagery and drone footage reveal the intricate details of its layered rings and central area. The colors shift with the light, highlighting the different rock types and the effects of erosion. The colors shift with the light, highlighting the different rock types and the effects of erosion. It stands as a natural wonder, a geological spectacle on a grand scale. The Eye of the Sahara reminds us that Earth still holds secrets we don't fully understand. Whether it's a purely geological marvel or something more, its existence challenges our perceptions. It makes us wonder about the deep history of our planet and the possibilities that lie hidden beneath its surface. It stands as a powerful symbol of natural processes acting over immense timescales. It's a place where science meets legend, where geology sparks imagination. The Eye continues to watch, a silent, ancient enigma in the sand. Subscribe to GeoCurious for more incredible locations where science meets legend.